JDCap26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to get your messages, all messages back in messages after you do a copy and paste. So you're in messages right here. You tap on that, okay? And say you're going to do a copy and paste of this right here. It says okay. So you click on it and inadvertently you hit reply at the top. Right here, you hit reply. Okay. And if you paste that in there like that, okay, it's going to mess up, okay? You won't be able to get out of it. So you got to tap it again, and you'll find up here, you'll find up here the arrow sign to get back to all messages, okay? Sorry, I'm leaning over here, but to show you everything's backwards. So don't get all upset or anything like that. This happens a lot with pictures. You can hit reply, and sometimes when you do a picture, let me see if I can find a picture in here. Okay. This is really not a picture, but mostly with pictures it happens. And let me do a picture to my wife, and I'll send a picture to her just of the cat so I can show you guys. Okay, so I sent that, so that should be, see it right there, the picture of the cat. So you go in there and you go like that and you hit reply, okay, and then if you hit reply, you paste it in there, you're going to see that you can do insert or whatever. You can't get back. You can't get back at the top. It messes everything up. So you have to tap it to the left of the name at the top. The arrow will show back up again. Well, it's pretty hard to see with so bright. Let's adjust the screens. Let's see if I can adjust the screen here, the brightness. Lower it a little bit for you guys. Of course, when you're looking for something, here it is, screen brightness. Put it a little bit down. Go back to this. So, again, you know, you try to you hit reply, and you try to put in there, you know, scan text or whatever, it's going to mess up. So just hit the top left hand corner and you'll find your arrow. You get to all back to all messages. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care now.